Welcome to my channel. We've made great progress in the last couple of days with the restoration and rebuild of my 1938 Levis motorcycle. We've shown you how we've made the clutch plates, and now it's time to put them back together where they belong. The job was to get the chain that connects the crank the sprocket and the clutch sprocket have to be aligned, and what Manik Chandji found was that they were kind of out of sync. So he called me up to say that this is the problem we have, and can you send me the measurements from the frame, which I did. It stands around 65 millimeters, and he said that's the number I was looking for, so we should be okay. So a couple of hours later he sends me a photo of the aligned clutch basket and the primary sprocket. So with this we are progressing well, and now he has to work on the push rod mechanism that will activate or deactivate the clutch. So he's going to be working on that, and in the meantime we will just do a quick recap of the clutch work, because that's been the biggest part of the rebuild so far. And keep watching and see how we complete this bike, which has been in storage for more than a quarter of a century.